Hey guys, it's Ian with Votoslacking and I'm back with another video. Sorry about the messy hair, just got off work, ate some dinner, and this box showed up at my door today. So I want to show you. Here it is. This big box showed up at my door today. This box contains the new luggage to my Triumph Street Triple. I told myself I would not get some saddlebags for the Street Triple, but I've decided I'm going to have to do that because I want to take it motorcycle camping. And I need some luggage, and I didn't want to use my Rearbags to stack them up high up in the air. So the saddlebags will help distribute the weight between on the bike so that it helps with the ride. And so I went ahead and got some luggage, and I'm going to unbox it right now and show it to you. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, here is the box. We're going to go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Let's see. Let's go this end here. Alright. We got bubble. Alright. We got first box here. First bag. This is the Rearbag, but SW-Motech. It comes with this cloth bag, which is nice. Not super heavy duty cloth, but these bags are nice. Those will be nice to store like in the garage when it's not being used on the bike. So that's a nice touch from SW-Motech. I like that already. And these drawstrings are a really nice strong paracord. So I also ordered a tail bag for this. So here is the tail bag. And first impressions, this bottom rubberized bottom here, that's really nice. That's gonna go well with this back seat of the bike seat. And top Cordura material. I do wish these were kind of like built-in waterproof, but these come with waterproof bags inside. So I actually like this already. I mean, this is a nice sturdy material. It feels like the red interior right there. There we go. And of course the mesh. And go ahead and these zipper pulls feel really nice. I really like these zipper pulls. That's some nice, it's a very nice thick piece of rubber with SW-Motech logo on it. We got instructions here on how to install it. I will be recording this video to show the installation on my bike. And here is the it's not a rain fly, it's a waterproof sack that goes inside the main compartment. And some straps here. These straps I'm going to be using to, this is just turn this into a backpack. Not really going to use that feature, but these straps are what I'm going to use to go ahead and strap it to the bike. So looking forward to doing that. Looking forward to using this luggage to kind of like try this out on the bike compared to my Krieger bags. I really love my Krieger bags, by the way. So I'm looking forward to using this to see how different it is. But alright, on to the next part. Let's go ahead and put that to the side there. We got more bubble wrap. This is the luggage. So this is the saddlebags hardware to attach to the Triumph, the Street Triple, and that's just kind of separate right there. I'll go through that later. Alright, so moving on from there here. Big box. And this is the last box that was inside this big box. Big box gone. Let's go ahead and open up this little box here. Hopefully that's in the frame. Again, it says caution heavy. So these should be the saddlebags. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up right now. There we go. And a set of saddlebags are inside the box. Woohoo! More boxes. Boxes. And there is a saddlebag. Made of that same Cordura, nylon Cordura material as the tank bag. Same zipper pulls. Nice and thick zipper pulls. Got the tag Let's see here. So that zips really nice. It feels nice. I mean, got the red interior. Also got the same waterproof inside bag. Again, not a rain fly. It's an internal waterproof sack that you put in here, and then you put all your stuff in this bag, and the bag goes inside of this, and this gets zippered on. So each side gets one. These are 14 liters. They're expandable out to 21 liters. I probably will only be using the 14 liter size, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these installed to the bike, and I will record that video and show you guys how it looks on the bike and all that good stuff. But this is just the unboxing. I'm digging it so far. I haven't really had luggage like this, so I'm hoping the waterproofness will actually work, because my previous gear has been superb waterproof Kriega products. So this is my first time trying anything that's not Kriega. If I unvelcro this, go ahead and see that this is to go over the bike, to secure it over the bike. So, and then the tail bag's gonna go right on top of that. So yeah, generally not a fan of things like this, like over the seat, things like this. Generally not a fan. I prefer it hook onto the bike via straps than something like this, because I think this looks weird. But again, just trying something new. And this is like the only really system for the Triumph, so that's why I'm looking forward to using it. Alright guys, that's been the unboxing of the SW-Motech Blaze saddlebags for sport naked bikes. In this case, a Triumph Street Triple. And then also tail bag for the Triumph Street Triple. See you with motorcycling. I will talk to you guys later. See you in the next video.